Hi guys, Craig from Watson's Leisure Centre, Coffs Harbour. Just thought I'd take the time today to show you through the new Mercedes Sprinter Campervan. One of the key features on this campervan is the rear club lounge, which can also be converted to a double bed. Television, which can also swing around to be viewed from the front seats. Great storage up the top here. 3-cooker burner and a full ensuite. One of the key features on the new Mercedes is the 360 view camera and backup cameras with a front camera as well. Another great feature is having the engine performance displayed on your dash. Seats can be spun around so you have more space within the van. For a comfortable and easy to use motorhome, you can't go past the new Jayco Sprinter.